Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at an item called Pengoloo. This is a game. This is a really important game, guys. This is a strategy of learning colors, matching colors, things like that. This is how it comes in a box. Little penguins. Let me just show you what it looks like. Let me just go over it with you real quickly. This is what comes in the package. Comes with all the penguins that you see. Comes with the dice. And it comes with this little block here. I'll give you a quick explanation how to use this. It's just a fun game. It's a color matching for preschool up for age 3 plus. It's a memory game. This board game is based on design. It's designed to help with memory development, teaching young children about colors, strengthening social skills, easy understanding, very easy to use, very easy to play, super fun. So again, everything is made out of wood. Let me just show you these little penguins. They're absolutely adorable. Look at this little little guy. Now under each one of them are different colors. That's where you find the colors. Each one has a different color under each one of these here, purple, red, different colors under each penguin. Okay. So the idea is that they can't see the colors, but they have to kind of remember as they pick up and look where the colors are and have to remember. That's where the memory comes in and the strategy of picking them together. So you roll the dice, let's say, and you have to pick a blue and let's say a yellow. And now you have to kind of remember where the blue and the yellow was because the other player might have picked that up, and then you have to kind of remember where that is. And the first person that on the iceberg to get all 6 correct, you put your penguin on here as you win, as you collect them, wins the game. So it helps with it's 2 to 4 players, just so you know. It's a fun game. Comes with 12 penguins with 12 brightly colored little eggs. Every penguin has an egg. An absolutely amazing and very smart game. So anytime you want to teach children how to do colors, matching, social, just a fun playing game. This is something that you want to use. So definitely going to recommend this for sure. Definitely pick this up, guys. This is a really fun game. You're going to love it. There are little penguins. Here's the game. Super easy, quick instructions. Everything's laid out quickly, easy to use. So definitely check it out. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this review. Just wanted to show you something really great and something interesting for preschool, for learning, for education. And I think this is absolutely a fantastic item. Award-winning, just amazing. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Pick this up. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching. Also, I do get a small commission, just to be clear and transparent. If you do purchase this, costs you nothing. And that's how my channel it grows and helps educate you and teach you things about this that maybe you didn't know about. And that's what this is all about. So just to be clear and transparent, and I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.